Hey guys! So, I'll be back when I go get something. So, I'm going to be making slime with my little brother.
Can I pour me some juice?
No, I got that juice for us to share. That's why there's so much in it. So, you'll be needing glue, liquid glue. You could use glue all it would just be thicker. Wood glue, I'm not sure if you could do it the same way, but you'll need glue. Something to make your slime in. Coloring, I have pigment, however you say it. It's pink, but it's going to end up red because I mixed a couple colors with this. So I need this. You could use baking soda if you want. I'm not using baking soda.
Why?
I'm using Tide. There is none. There's no Tide. There's a little bit. But we need this. And I'm going to put, and if you want to mix this, it makes like kind of like sticky tack, but it's like Model Magic. Maybe butter slime. Works with Play-Doh also. This is Model Magic and Baby Alive container. So, let me turn this out of view that you can see the table. You might see a little bit of weird stuff like that bed, but I'm gonna put something under it. I'll just be back when I'm done doing that, okay? So this is as good as I could get it, but it'll work. I had to get something to drink. Okay, so I said Tide, glue, automatic, or whatever, coloring. You don't have to use this. You could use regular coloring, marker, anything. Or you could use baking soda. I'm probably going to have a pinch of baking soda in mine. So,
where did you get that baking soda?
Granny. Okay, so I'll be back when I got my mixing tool, because that's the one thing I forgot.
Where?
Okay, so I'm going to be using this. It's a broken colored pencil. But I'm going to be using this slime eraser. Because I don't want to waste a spoon. Like, I really wish this was clear. You guys could see.
Because it made slime in the dessert.
Oh, this is a full bottle.
Oh my gosh, that's gotta be a big slime.
I don't want to pour the whole thing in though.
Let's say some.
You ready? Watch this satisfying moment. You ready?
Let's go. That's good. I know you want more. Oh, that's good.
Okay, that's good, I said. Okay. So I have a lot. I can't show you because this glue is liquid glue, not stick glue. So just so you know, most of the people who make it, actually I probably can't show you. Have more than that. Oh my. Okay, I'll be. Okay, so next, sometimes you just want to mix this to make sure there's no big chunks in it. Yeah, it's kind of satisfying. Spread it all. Okay. it all in one.
What if someone put shaving cream in that? I mean, what's it called? What is it? Yogurt in it and tricked you that it was glue.
That should be enough for now. Oh, by the way, you want to add your activator in. Don't mix it. Do a satisfying moment on your Whoa. With Tide, it comes together so well. Like, super well.
Can I have barbecue sauce?
No! That's mine, boy! I'm thirsty. So right now I'm going to be adding my pigment. Yeah, fold it up so you don't have to dye your hands, because this stuff will dye your hands if you touch mine, because this is like dye kind. It's a big bag, so you're not gonna get a lot in it. I think that would be enough for now. When I'm all done mixing it and it's fully done, if I need more, then I'll add more. But for now, that should be enough. Right? And it actually turns into a really pretty color.
Oh, that's actually good. I haven't put the
And it's gonna be so surprising for you guys to see it, because it's like made with Tide, so it kind of like dyes it more. But I'd rather have clear glue because it would look way better.
It won't be dirty.
Yeah, it won't look dirty. But you just want to work this. You might need more activator, like me. Might just be. I might have to. It's hard for you guys. Let me try. That is a perfect part. My brother's not even in it. Say hi at least.
Hi. What?
Like, hi. Oh. And I might let him make his own if I have enough time.
Probably won't, because you add a little bit. What the hell? That sounds like woo coo coo. Why do you take it out right now?
Because it's barely sticky, so I have to knead it now.
I feel
It's still sticky. I'll let you feel it when it's all done. I'll be back when I'm almost done kneading. Okay? Sorry guys if it looks like it's a messed up TV channel, but at least I'm making the best thing in the world. Like, slime. Who cannot resist slime? Okay, but for real, I'll be back. Okay guys, so I'm testing this out, so I'm gonna rip a tiny piece of this off. Not a tiny piece, but a piece off, and I'm gonna take that piece and I'm gonna add my Model Magic into it and see what it does to this piece. And if it works out successfully,
It's not about to be more.
it's probably gonna make it non-sticky. And I'm gonna put this back into this. Get this and add it into this little piece.
This is gonna be weird.
So it's purple, so it's probably gonna dye it. But I'm only gonna add a little piece because this is a little piece. Oh, it's so weird adding this in.
You can barely see it.
Yeah, because I haven't even got it in there, mixed in yet. It was so sticky.
Why the other day? Why did a long time ago when Jay was doing the YouTube video? Why did he do a skit? You remember when we were having a fire? Why did he do a skit? He's freaking retarded.
Who, me?
No, Jay. This one's not even.
So
sticky.
guys, this actually made it way more stickier. So, do not. Okay, guys. Kind of like that was like Play-Doh clay that I made, but it feels just like Model Magic. But don't add homemade Play-Doh.
You just said that you made?
Yeah.
You made this?
Yeah. Okay, guys, so now you know not to add homemade.
Was your teacher a girl or a boy when you were at what kind of orchard?
A girl?
Yeah, or a boy.
A girl?
Oh. I think that was your teacher.
What did she look like?
What color is your teacher?
What did she look like?
She had she was white, and she had makeup on.
How old do you think she was?
For 8.
48.
I mean, we tried.
Comment down below how old you are and how old your mom and dad are.
I think she's 16.
16? No, she ain't. Boy, bye. My teacher was 32.
She looked like she was 32. Wait. What? Now tell me what your teacher looks like.
No.
Yeah, I told you what she looked like in the car. So tell me what she looked like in real life.
Was she skinny or fat?
Skinny.
Okay. So, my teacher was really skinny. Okay. She was 32. What color hair did she have?
Brown.
Well, brown and blonde, so take that.
What color your teacher was? My teacher, in preschool, my teacher was named Mrs. Miss Wienerfin. That's a weird name. Like, why did you name her?
Only in kindergarten.
Huh?
Nothing. I was talking to them.
You said I'm in kindergarten?
Yeah.
Well, you're probably in what's it called preschool.
4th grade honey bun. Okay, so I'll be back because I gotta use the bathroom. So. Yeah. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna end this now. So, bye.